Hello everyone, welcome back to the Legal Saints, and this session is all about introducing our alma mater, that is Faculty of Law. And so if you've already made up your mind to enter the 3-year LLB DU program, here's how we can help you with. Okay, so before you waste your time, just lurking around for dates and for the information, the prerequisites that you need, watch this video and save your time. All right, so let's begin. So number one, let's talk about eligibility. Now if you're from unreserved category, you need a minimum of 50% of marks in your graduation. BC, CW and PWD score 45%. For SC, ST and EWS, it is a minimum 40% marks that you need for eligibility. Okay, so one query before you put it down in the comment. If you're appearing in the, if you're in the final year of your graduation, you can still appear in the DU LLB entrance examination. Okay. Coming on to the second thing, which is the pattern of examination. Okay, so a lot of people talk about that GK aayega, current affairs aayega, but eventually it becomes quite ambiguous. So wait, there are 4 sections, one being English, the other one is your analytical ability, the other one is your legal aptitude, and you have GK, of course. Okay. So as far as marking scheme is concerned, you get +4 for every right answer and -1 for every wrong answer that you give. So you know what, be very sure. You don't want just losing marks like that, especially when the competition is so tough. The medium of the examination is going to be in English language, and as far as the application fee is concerned, for unreserved, CW and OBC category, it's 750 rupees. For the rest of the categories, that is EWS, PWD, SC, ST, you have, the application fee is 300 rupees. So coming on to the next one, which is very important, and a lot of people just waste their time, I would say, just being concerned about this, that is number of seats. Now whenever we talk about number of seats, we shuffled through a lot of websites, all right, and we found out that initially, like when we appeared in the examinations, it was 2300. And then there is this EWS quota, due to which then 2310 followed. Then at present time, there are some websites that say it is 2922 seats. However, there are some people like within the faculty that it is 3010. So you know what, just stay away from the ambiguity, concentrate on your preparations, and who cares, to be honest, you just need 1 seat to clear, right? So yeah, this is all that you need to know about the entrance exam of DU LLB. And coming on to the next important things, okay, which is the date. Okay, so now that February has already gone and your Valentine dates are, I don't know, I hope they must have been good. Coming on to the events and the dates of the DU LLB. Okay, by the way, before you just reach on conclusion, because you people are very quick, acha ye pata chal gaya, ho gaya, khatam. No, aise nahi karna hai. These dates are tentative, okay, so make sure that you check DU website for the exact precise date. However, the tentative dates are as follows. So March 2nd is when the forms get released. Then the last date of registration is March 31st. And then availability of DU LLB admit card is on April 30. Then the exam is supposed to happen from 2nd June to 9th June. And then declaration of results is on 25th of June. So yes, I hope these are the dates, but then as I said before, these are the tentative dates. So I have already told you about the exam pattern, I have told you the medium of examination, and we discussed a lot. But they say that law is a tough mistress. So here's a bonus. If you need any expert advice, if you need any assistance with the preparation that you're doing for LLB entrance, and if you really want to get into Faculty of Law, University of Delhi, please So here's the bonus. There's this institute called Academic Hour, which literally makes you prepared for due LLB 3-year program. And when I say they prepare you, I literally mean it. Why? Because they have this beautiful perks that they offer. They have classroom program, okay, and for the students who are out of Delhi and who are actually willing to study and get into University of Delhi Faculty of Law, they also offer, distance learning programs. To check your performances, they also conduct online test series, and they also give you very precise, very useful study materials, okay. And one thing, like it's almost going to be an year, and I really don't believe in astrology, but I do believe in something called experience. So when they tell you that yes, these are the questions that are going to come, they literally do it well. They're so good at it. I don't know, just you can call them, come here, ask them how do they do it, and they'll be ready for your service, to serve you better, and to prepare you for an actual bright future. So if you just want to come and see the institute, the address is 2262 Hudson Lane. अगर आप नहीं चाहते यहाँ पे आके आपको कष्ट उठाना पड़े, तो लैंडलाइन नंबर है 4553335555. Okay guys, that is it for today's session. All the very best for your preparation. Hope this video was super helpful, and for other assistance, obviously I have told you the address of the Academic Hour, I have told you the landline number of Academic Hour. Feel free to call them and ask for any other exam preparations that you want to. There is another bonus waiting for you in the next video, so make sure that you do not forget to hit the subscribe button of the Legal Saints, and stay tuned.